And here naman po is the Villa El Nido, which worth of 1.1 million per night. So, kung tatanungin niyo po ako ano yung pinakamahal na villas dito, yun po yung Villa Boracay, worth of 1.6 million per night. So, if you will notice, lahat ng villas natin dito ipinangalan sa mga best places here in the Philippines. And kung ano square meters, and meron na po tayong 3 bedrooms, spa, room, gym, and 1 bar, 1 living room. So, ang maximum capacity natin dito is 12 packs po. And yes po, welcome to Sky Villa. Four bedrooms.
Yes.
4 bedrooms.
4 bedrooms. That's why 12. Kasi every room has maximum of 3 each room. So that's allowed.
Thank you for the information.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm one of the butter here. Mostly all rooms from 6 to 19 floor. 6 to 11 is the Tower Sky Villa. And then 12 to 19 floor is the Sky Villa. So the perks of having this room, you have both the view of the fountain and the Manila Bay itself. So that's nice. So hope you enjoy your tour. Thank you.
Thank
so
you.
much. Have a nice day.
That's one. 6, 5, 7.
Wait lang po, ako picture lang.
Everyone, ano daw po last picture daw po sa inyo? Last picture daw po.
May gym area mo. Hindi, 100 ano siya square meters, so kaya malaki. Hindi.
Common.
Ano? Hindi natin. Baka ito yung sa master.
Ito may master siguro.
Oo, kasi ito may vanity room siyang sarili.
Kaya mahal siya. Kasi nasa hindi. Oh, may sabong ko naman din pala. Artist kiss.
Mawawala ko. Malilino. Which is the Pearl Wing and the Coral Wing. So now we are at the Coral Wing side of the building, and if you will notice at the back of the reception, has a white colorful mosaic background design made by a Filipino architecture and also type metering strategies that is made from the Czech Republic. And also the Coral Lobby, designed by Red Velvet Drapes, hang from ceiling to wall. And picture